Welcome to the new barbecue favorite, the Grinder pasta salad. The Grinder sandwich is probably the best sandwich I've ever had in my life. I'm not even exaggerating when I say that. And this is all of those flavors, but in a pasta salad that is perfect for a crowd. You're gonna start by chopping everything up, cook up the pasta, toss it with a bit of olive oil and let it cool. Mix up a creamy dressing. If you hate mayo or your friends do, I barely understand you and them, but you don't really taste it. It just ends up being a vaguely creamy, tart, and delicious dressing. Add the pasta to a big bowl, add in the cherry tomatoes, pepperoncinis, iceberg lettuce, sliced red onions, mozzarella balls, salami, and that dressing, toss it up, and enjoy your life.